Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
There you guys, your girl Euniycemari here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. The video is going to be my experience with using with using coconut oil as a deodorant, and did it work for me? What made me try this, or made me get into this, is that I was going through a little bit of a breakout, or a little bit of a irritation under the arm due to baking soda. And I have coconut oil that I use by Shea Moisture, and I put the coconut oil, I already put a little bit of tea tree in it because I was using it for my face for a time, and you know, tea tree has great properties to it. So I was just like, okay, let me just smear a little bit underneath my arm just to kind of help out with any you know, any of that irritation, that healing process. Coconut oil is really good for healing the skin and helping the skin to heal from, you know, whatever is irritating it. So I put some coconut oil on there mixed with tea tree under the arm, and I was like, coconut oil as a deodorant. Now, I've heard of this before, and I've heard that it really did work. So I was like, you know what, let's give it a try. So I was using it on and off, like every other day, for about a week or two. I've been, you know, using it, just seeing how I felt underneath the arms, seeing how I smelled underneath the arms, and all of that. So first, we're going to talk about coconut oil as a deodorant, and why coconut oil would be a great deodorant. What properties are in coconut oil that makes it such a great deodorant, or a choice for a deodorant. Okay, so it's antibacterial, antiviral, it's anti-inflammatory, it hydrates the skin. So with those, the reason why those are kind of important is because the antibacterial, the antiviral, those fight bacteria that cause smell due to sweat. Okay, and you don't want, you know, sweat is what makes you stinky underneath the arms. So yeah. Also too, it provides a protective layer for the skin. So, and I've noticed that with me using the coconut oil, is that when you put it on, it does have a protective layer on the skin. Like your arms, underarms don't feel like, they feel moisturized, but they don't feel like greasy, you know, so they add a protective layer. It calms the skin, so any irritation that's going on in the skin, it calms it. And it's antioxidant, so it does have antioxidants. Now, coconut oil has a fatty acid, or lauric acid. If I'm pronouncing it right, I'll place the word here, lauric acid, and that is what kills odor. So that is what helps with keeping odor away. I'm actually wearing it today as well. So I did put some coconut oil underneath my arm. Yes, I just did a sniff test. Okay, so let's talk about my experience here. Okay, so I like it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It's worked for me. My underarms have stayed pretty decent, like they're hydrated, they don't smell. My only thing that I would change is that I would not pair this with tea tree oil for my underarms. For me, tea tree oil kind of makes me smell. I don't know what it is about tea tree oil, but it doesn't really mesh well with my underarms. Somebody else can probably wear tea tree oil and it's fine, but in the past, when it came to tea tree oil and my underarms, they just don't mix. So I like lavender for my underarms. So what I do is that I take the coconut oil, I do put it underneath my arms, and I put a little bit of lavender oil underneath my arms, and that kind of helps out a lot with that tea tree, because I don't like the smell of tea tree under the arms. I feel like it just makes me smell. I don't know what it is about it. I'm not sweaty really, I guess, because now it's not too hot, so I'm not really like overly sweaty or anything, but my underarms, they feel good. They don't feel irritated. They feel nice and soft. There's no smell. I don't stink or anything. So this is another thing that is paired with me and my natural skincare, or my natural underarm journey. If you guys have checked out my Schmidt's deodorant review, I said in that video that now I'm coming to this place in my journey, or this place in my skincare regimen, where I don't need, or my underarm journey, sorry, where I don't need deodorant as much. I feel like I have a process now to where I can just wear coconut oil and lavender under the arm and I'm fine. I don't need to have something that combats body odor so much, because I now have a setup to where I know, okay, I have to do my bentonite clay mask under the arm. Okay, I can't have any hair. Okay, I got to make sure that I'm using African black soap, tea tree soap to cleanse the bacteria from any bacteria from underneath the arm. Like, once you know what works for your body, then you're able to actually take the steps forward to trying other things. Now, people may think you're crazy, because if you talk to anybody about the whole natural deodorant under the arms, they think you're wild. They're like, yo, what the hell are you talking about using coconut oil? Just coconut oil, you ain't gonna stink, you know. And even with that, people are like, oh, you don't use regular deodorant, like, aren't you stink? But I'm just like, we are so conditioned to only wear deodorants with chemicals and aluminum in it. But once you clear yourself of using no aluminum deodorants, no regular deodorants of all those chemicals, and you just let your body naturally detox all that out, and then you get used to sweating a little bit, like, you get used to sweating a little bit, you get used to those things once again, then you can go and try like lemon under the arm. I want to try that next. Lemon underneath the arm, because they say you spray it with a little bit of water with lemon. That's supposed to work, so that's gonna be our next test. And coconut oil with like an essential oil in it, and there you have it. But anyways, not to rant on and on and on about this video, I actually really do like this coconut oil under the arm, but I do like to put essential oil in it, like a lavender oil. It just makes me feel a little bit better for just everyday use, and it works for me. So yeah, you guys, if you have tried the coconut oil underneath the arm, go ahead and leave your comments down below. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? And if you guys also want to check out any of my underarm journey, I have a full playlist. I will put it up here for you guys, as well as down below, as well as check out my description box. From this point on, there will be more information in the description box, so you guys can also read upon anything that I spoke about here in this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.